I am Pramod. Today you will discuss about the simultaneous linear differential equations. Linear differential equation in which there is one independent variable, two or more dependent variable. So what do you mean by dependent and what do you mean by independent variable? So this is here, that is dx by dt. Means you will differentiate x with respect to t. So here x is dependent variable and t is independent variable. So this type of differential equation, that is x is dependent and y is dependent, means here there are two dependent variables are there and one is independent variables. So the combination of equation 1 and 2, so the differential equation in which two or more dependent variable and one is independent variable, then that type of differential equation is known as the simultaneous linear differential equation. So how we will solve the simultaneous linear differential equation? So this type of differential equation you will solve by using the method of elimination or the method of cancellation. Means suppose this is a linear equation, you have 2x plus 3y equals to 4 and x minus y equals to 2. So this one how you will solve it? Matlab for solution of x you will eliminate y, for the solution of y you will eliminate x. So this is known as the method of elimination. So here also for the solution of y you will eliminate x, for the solution of x you will eliminate y. So the simultaneous linear differential equation can be solved by the method of elimination. So now you will solve the various types of examples based upon the simultaneous linear differential equations. Okay. So now you will solve the problems dx by dt minus 3x minus 6y equal to t square, dy by dt plus dx by dt minus 3y equals to e raised to t. So in case of simultaneous linear differential equation, you will solve for x and you will solve for y. Okay. So now that is you will solve it. So that is now put d by dt equals to d. So this is dx minus 3x minus 6y equals to t square. This is dy plus dt minus 3y equals to e raised to t. So just you will see which will be common. So here that is x will be common and here y will be common. So that is this is d minus 3 into x minus 6y equals to t square, and this is d minus 3 into y, this plus dx equals to e raised to t. So this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Okay. So before that just to arrange it in the for that what? So this is d minus 3 into x minus 6y equals to t square, and this is dx. This is dx plus d minus 3 into y equals to e raised to t. Now this is equation number 1. Now this is equation number 2. Okay. So now you will solve for x and y. So here if we will solve for y you will eliminate x, if we will solve for x you will eliminate y. Suppose solve for y. To solve for y means what? You will eliminate x. So in case of equation number 1, what is the coefficient of x? D minus 3. In case equation number 2, what is the coefficient of x? This is d. So for the cancellation of x, for the elimination of x, multiply equation number 2 by d minus 3 and multiply equation number 1 with d, so that the coefficient of x will be same, and after that you will cancel it. So multiply equation number 1 with d and multiply equation number 2 with d minus 3, so that the coefficient of x will be same. So this is what? D into d minus 3 minus 6 dy equals to d into t square. This is d into d minus 3 into x plus d minus 3 का whole square into y equals to d minus 3 into e raised to t. So now you will eliminate. So the coefficient of x, now this is minus, and this is minus. So it is cancelled. So this is minus 6 dy and this is minus a square plus b square minus 6d into y equals to d means derivative. D means dy dt. You will differentiate with respect to t. This is 2t and this is the derivative of e raised to t minus e raised to t, and this is minus minus plus 3 e raised to t. So now this is minus 6 dy minus d square y minus 9y plus 6 dy equals to 2t minus e raised to t plus 3 e raised to t. This is 2 e raised to t. So now plus 6 dy minus 6 dy, it is cancelled. So this is what? Minus d square minus 9 into y, minus will be common, equals to 2t plus 2 e raised to t. Okay. So this is minus will be common, 2t plus 2 e raised to, so minus d square y minus 9y, either minus will be common, so this will be plus. So now this is d square plus 9 into y equals to minus 2t minus 2 e raised to t. So now this is which is linear differential equation with constant coefficient. The simultaneous linear differential equation, now it is converted into LDE. So now you will solve by using shortcut, general, or the method of variation of parameter. You can use any three methods for PI. And CF you will find based upon the four types. Okay. So this is auxiliary equation, d square plus 9 equals to 0, d square equals to minus 9 and d equals to minus 9 plus or minus root of minus 9. So this is plus or minus 3i. So this is alpha plus or minus I beta. So here alpha equals to 0 and beta equals to 3. So what is CF? CF equals to e raised to alpha t. Alpha equal to 0, that is 1. So this is C1 cos 3t and C2 sin 3t. So now you will find the PI. So PI equals to 1 upon f of d into f of x. So this is f of t. So this is 1 upon d square plus 9 minus 2t and minus 2 e raised to t. So now you will find the value, the PI of minus 2t and minus 2 e raised to t. So minus 2t you will use the binomial series, and e raised to t you will solve the type first. D square plus 9 minus 2t minus 2 e raised to t. So this is minus 2 into 1 upon d square plus 9 into t, and this is 1 upon d square plus 9, this is 2 into e raised to t. So we know that x raised to p, we will use the concept of binomial series. So this is what t raised to p. In LDE this is x raised to p, but here x is t. So this is minus 2, you will common the constants. So the 9 will be common. So this is 1 plus d square by 9 into t and minus 2, and this is type first, a equals to 1. So you will put or you will replace d by a. So this is minus 2 by 10 into e raised to t. 2 by 9, this is 1 upon 1 plus x. So this is 1 minus d square by 9 into t. This is minus 1 by 5 e raised to t. So this is minus 2 by 9 t. So this is t, and the d square means what? The double derivative of t. So this is single d, the single derivative t, that is 1, and the double it will be 0, only t. And this is e minus e raised to t upon 5. So that is, answer will be what? So minus 2t upon 9 minus e raised to t upon 5. Now this is the solution for y. So that is y equals to yc plus yp. The yc means complementary function. So this is c1 cos 3t plus c2 sin 3t. Pi that is minus 2t by 9 minus e raised to t upon 5. So this is the solution for y. So similarly, now you will solve for x. Now you will solve for x. मतलब you will eliminate y. So what is the coefficient of y? Minus 6. What is the coefficient of y? D minus 3. मतलब you will multiply d minus 3 and then multiply 6. So multiply equation number 1 by d minus 3 and multiply equation number 2 by 6. So that will write here. Okay. So this is d minus 3 का whole square minus 6 into d minus 3 equals to d minus 3 into t square. This is into 6 dx plus d into 6 into plus 6 into d minus 3 into y equals to 6 into e raised to t. So this is d minus 3 whole square into x, and this 6 into d minus 3 into y equals to d minus 3 into t square, and this is into 6 dx, 6 into d minus 3 into y, and 6 into e raised to t. So now you will eliminate y. You will solve for x, but eliminate y. So this is d minus 3 का whole square, d minus 3 का whole square plus 6d into x equals to, d means derivative. You do it, 2t minus 3t square plus 6 e raised to t. So now this one you will solve it. So this is a square plus b square minus 6d plus 6d into x equals to 2t minus 3t square plus 6 e raised to t. Here plus 6d minus 6d it is cancelled. So this is d square plus 9 into x equals to 2t minus 3t square plus 6 e raised to t. So 2t minus 3t square, this is x raised to p, matlab t raised to p, binomial series, and this is type first. Now you find CF, auxiliary equation, d square plus 9 equals to 0, d square equals to minus 9, and d equals to plus or minus 3r. This is alpha plus or minus I beta. Alpha equal to 0 and beta equals to 3. So that is CF equals to C1 cos 3t plus C2 sin 3t. Because alpha equals to 0, e raised to alpha t. So that is e raised to 0, that is 1. So C1 cos 3t plus C2 sin 3t. Now you will find Pi, particular integral, that is 1 upon f of d into f of d. So f of d, that is what? D square plus 9, and this is 2t minus 3t square plus 6 e raised to t. This is 1 upon d square plus 9, 2t minus 3t square plus 1 upon d square plus 9. This is 6 into e raised to t. So this is binomial series. The constant that you will take as a common. This is 9 will be common. 1 plus d square by 9. A d square by 9 plus 1, or 1 plus d square by 9. So this is 2t minus 3t square, and this is 6 e raised to t, e raised to x. Type first, you will replace d by a equals to 1. So this is 6 by 10 e raised to t. So this is 1 upon 9. So 1 upon 1 plus z, that is 1 minus z. So this is 1 minus d square by 9. This is 2t minus 3t square plus 3 by 5 e raised to t. Now this is 1 upon 9, multiply 1 into this. So this is 2t minus 3t square, and this is minus minus plus d square, the double derivative, this one, the first derivative minus 60, again minus 60 ka minus 6, so minus minus plus 6 plus 3 by 5 e raised to t. So this is the pi, and what is the CF? This is the CF. So that is the solution for x equals to CF plus pi. So what is CF? CF equals to C1 cos 3t plus C2 sin 3t. And what is pi? Plus 1 upon 9. This is 2t minus 3t square plus 6 plus 3 upon 5 e raised to t. In this way, you will solve the simultaneous linear differential equation, because you will use the method of cancellation or elimination. Okay, thank you.